Once upon a time, in a small village in China, there lived a young boy named Li. Li had big dreams and aspirations. He wanted to become a great scholar and make his family proud. However, Li faced many challenges and obstacles along his journey. One day, Li came across an old man in the village who was renowned for his wisdom. Li approached the old man and shared his dreams with him. The old man smiled and said, "Remember, greatness comes from perseverance and determination. Embrace every failure as an opportunity to learn and grow." Inspired by the old man's words, Li dedicated himself to his studies. He spent long hours studying and never gave up, even when faced with setbacks. Years passed, and Li's hard work paid off. He achieved remarkable success and became a respected scholar. Li's story spread throughout the village, inspiring many young individuals to pursue their dreams despite the challenges. Li's journey taught them the value of perseverance and determination in the pursuit of their goals. And so, Li's legacy lived on, reminding everyone that with the right mindset and unwavering determination, they too could overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Thanks for watching our videos and subscribe to our channel.